You okay there?
No.
No? Alis na kami.
No.
Biyahe na kami papuntang Perth. Na, Bibi, no? Bibi? Bakit no? Ay.
What?
Parang sumasakit yung ulo ko. Bibi?
What that, mommy?
Ano yan? Hindi ko alam pangalan yan, Bibi eh. Ano pangalan niya? Dinala ko yung mga laruan niya yan. Nandiyan sa gilid. Mahaba-habang biyahe. 4 hours. Papuntang Perth. Nihintay namin si Joshua. Nag-toilet siya saglit eh. Tiko tayo doon. Sa ano? Sa zoo?
Not zoo. Oy.
Tapos magpunta tayo doon sa ano, sa museum na dinosaur, ya? Magpunta tayo sa dinosaur, no?
Fight.
Hala ang bata. Hala ang bata.
I'm helping. No. Okay. The prices aren't actually very reasonable.
Ay, it's nice weather now. Come on. You wanna go to the playground?
You see the playground?
Come on. Yeah. Nag-stop over muna kami dito sa Kojonap kasi nag-iyak si Kaden eh. Masakit na siguro yung likod. Hi. Oh. Hi.
Are you telling me you put his shoes on, bro? No good.
Was complaining?
Yeah. You've done a bad job.
Hi. Yeah. Laro mo na, Bibi, dali. Kasi mahaba-haba pa yung oras natin. 3 hours pa.
Loose? No, you can do it. You don't have to use that.
Hi. Ang lamig. Ang lamig dito sa Kojonap pa. Hi. Happy, oh.
Yeah, fun. Yeah, you can do it. You're a big boy.
Yeah, you can do it.
You can do it. Trust me. You can do it. Trust. You can do it. You can do it.
You can do it. Stop.
You can do it.
You stand up, Kaden. You stand up.
Stand up. You can do it. That's easier if you stand up. No, maybe not. You can do it. You can do it. Oh no, you can do it. Here we go. You can do it. Come on. You can do it.
Ang takot.
Doesn't like it?
Yeah. Look at Daddy.
Oh. Oh wow, it is a little.
Yeah.
Yeah. I can see why. I don't think I could do it without this. Oh, I think I agree with Aiden. It's a little it's got the rocks this way.
Yeah. Whee! Ang taas na ito. Sige, bebe.
Oh, it's wet. It's very wet there. Oh, good boy.
Okay, then. Hi, baby.
Daddy, hold me.
Sige. Lamig. Lamig sa labas.
Hey, Gummy. There you look. Time now for today's episode of
Okay. Meron pa kaming 3 hours.
Okay, Willings by 12.
Yeah.
on the election,
Layo-layo pa.
there's been a fair bit of debate about why. And one theory is the Democrats,
Baby, you okay there?
after the Democrats lost the US
Yeah?
presidential election, the independent senator Bernie Sanders came out with
Hi, gising na to siya, oh.
Right, right.
Ay, na-truck na naman. Gising na ang bata, oh. Ang ganda ng gising, ah. Ang ganda ng gising ng baby ni mama, ah. Hi!
leave the roundabout at the second exit.
Sumakit yung tenga ko. Hello! Medyo basa pa yung buhok ko. Tapos tinalian ko ng pabilog, kumulot to. Driver ko, sumasakit na daw yung puwit.
Prepare to turn
Yes.
right soon.
Hi! Hello! Where's Kaden?
Don't have to be in that lane. I'm hoping this one also turns. I'll have to very embarrassingly stop and indicate.
It's okay. Gusto na daw yung camera sa kanya. Mhm. Who's that? Is that Kaden? Ganda ng gising niyan. Haba na ng buhok mo, baby, oh. Ayaw magpagupit, eh. Where's Kaden?
You drink.
further down, but you can exit there too.
Pregnant or planning
We're almost there, yeah? 10 minutes.
10 minutes maybe, 11 k's out. Can you take that inside?
Dito kami mag-i-stay. May couch dito. May fridge. Hi! Wow! May veranda dito. Pwede ka umupo dyan, baby. Yeah? Dito ka muna, baby. Pagpasok. Lamesa. Tapos, yung kitchen. Ang ganda rin. Tapos, may dalawang bed. Na double deck. Tapos, dito kami. Ito yung room namin. Maganda rin siya, oh. Tapos, may TV. Pwede dito hanger yung mga damit, oh. Maganda rin. Hey, them! Hi! Nag-enjoy agad, oh. Parang bahay siya, na maliit. Hello! Kaidan! Huy! Sel! Oh, no, no! Look at Nono! Look at Nono! Hi, Nono! Sa Celestine, Sel. Tulog? Sabi niya swimming daw. Mag-swimming. Mag-swimming kayo. Ay, Nono, oh! Oh, oh. Parang dito? Ay, doon. Ito, malapit lang pala eh.
Malapit sa inyo.
Ito.
Yan.
Sama mo? Sige. Bye! Kaiden! Kaiden! Wala nang paki, oh. Yeah? Ito yung ano, playground nila. Malapit lang kami, ah. Malapit lang kami sa playground. Yung hinahanap namin yung swimming pool. Yeah. Saan napunta si Joshua? Oh. Oh, yun there. Nahanap ko. Andiyan ka pala. Ang ganda dito. Okay. Which one? This one?
Yes. Yes.
Kailangan daw anuhin. Ito. Para makapasok. Oh. Social. Where's Sel?
I don't know. I don't know. Not here. There could be more pools. I don't know.
Ito yung pool nila. Excited yan si Kaden. Malapit lang pala kami.
Oh, that's fine. We'll have a look around there. So you want to see the pool?
Yeah. Yan, okay din talaga, uy.
With the ducks?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's kind of most of it.
The,
I think there's only pools at the front.
yeah.
This is the playground.
Ito, magugustuhan to ni Kaden, oh.
And then this is
Playground.
another playground.
Yeah.
Very high fences you can't climb.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
Yeah, it's nice.
And then, yeah, I think that's it. And then they're like, it's kind of their full facilities.
Mm.
Called what's this? So we'll walk around that way.
Yeah. Ganda dito.
You can get over into the pool swim if you want.
Yeah. Mag-swimming kami pag tapos namin dito.
Come down to the duck. Swan. Swan.
Uy. Meron ditong lake, oh. Magugustuhan to ni Kaden, oh.
See the baby ducks?
Yeah.
Was a swan. There you go.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hmm.
How is it?
Sel. Uy. Ano? Pagod? Si Bibi, masarap yan, ah.
Oo, ito yung may bagong. Kaya binalata na namin eh.
Ay, yung doon siya siya sakyan? Nalito, nagkulit-kulit ito si Kaden. Mahaba tulog niyan, eh. Kaya gising lang yan. Kaya. Ang ganda ng kettle nyo, ah. No. Huy! Sakto lang. Yeah. Kaden. Pantuwa yung bata. Ayun na, umuwi ni Kaden eh. Gusto niya lang kay Nono niya po. No? Gusto mo lang kay Nono? Yeah, why? You love Nono so much, no? Yeah? Kapatid ko, binigyan ako ng pagkain. So, noodle, Nova, masit canton, sa San Marino. Ilagay ko to sa ayusin ko. Salamat, Sen. Bukas alis na sila eh. Uwi na silang Albany. So, ayusin ko lang. Bebe, kainin mo yung bebe. Ayan siya, naglalaro si Kaden. Naglalaro yan ng ano niya. Oh, dinala ko. Buti dinala ko itong laruan niya. Naglalaro siya. Bebe, oh, kainin mo nagit mo bebe sa strawberry, bebe. Tatay niya, nagpapahinga. Napagod sa pag-drive eh. Maya, mag-swimming to sila ni Nono niya. Okay, then. Bihisan ko yan siya. Punta dito sila sa liit. I-release na natin eh. Pagkakita na sila, baby.
Daddy's up. Hungry.
Gutom na daw si Joshua. Sakto. Ito daw. Sabi ko wala pa tayong pagkain. Ito na lang daw kainin niya. Yeah? Ito. Gutom na daw siya. Pakainin ko siya na kung San Marino. Tapos buti na lang nagsaing ako bago kami umalis. Dinala ko rin yung rice cooker namin eh. Kain lang daw siya saglit. Gutom na daw. Saan mo ba tayo? Hindi. Yan, tapos ano ka right na. And then pag na sila. Sir, nalalagyan ano niya? Dali na! Kain mo na saglit oh! Sabi ko saglit eh! Sabi ko kayo, mag-ready ka na eh!
What do you want?
Hindi ka sa sales hindi.
You want to get ready for swimming?
Ito ba yung damit? Kasi lang plastic bag in there?
Let's get ready. Yeah, come on, let's get ready. Come with Daddy. Mommy has problems. Let's go.
Kainin ko ba si Joshua gutom? Ganito lang siya sa Marino. Gusto ko ito, paborito ko ito. Eh?
Same 450.
This painting
Price tag on it, $995. I mean, this table, look, it's got the lion head, it's got the claw feet, $200 for this table. Ooh, there you go.
Mag-swimming ang bata.
It's a salt rock. It's worth about $20. I'm a long way from breaking even, and now I have a really bad taste in my mouth.
SPF 50 siya. No. Good for dedicated yan.
I'm doomed. You know, I thought this TV was actually going to be a pretty good score, but it's broken. The mirror on the wall is like the biggest thing. Gloves are coming off.
No, we're just gonna walk.
Salad bowls? Pretty heavy.
Yeah.
That's pretty trippy, actually. This is something I don't want to sell to.
Say mo hi.
I got a problem, man.
Say mo hi.
Bad addiction. Need some help.
Tapos na kami nag-swimming. bilis ang ano to. Bisan ko muna si Kaden. Tapos na siya eh. Wait lang. Okay. What you eating? Tapos na naligo yan, oh. Suklay ikaw, buhok? Suklay? Magsuklay ikaw?
Ay.
Huwag magsuklay ka ng buhok.
Ay, right.
Wow. Where's your water bottle?
No.
Okay. Hindi mo ito, bibel.
No.
Missing a cow.
This one.
This is a full cow. That's a full cow. Full cows.
Punta kami sa ito ng
Cows.
ganda ng araw dito.
Hey.
Pa.
Your knees wet. Okay.
Mga laruan mo, bibel. Yeah, ako. Hi! Magpalit ako ng damit. Kasi ang parang malamig ngayon eh. Saan na kaya yung anak ko? You okay? Okay, din naglalaro sa iPad niya. Oh. Hi! Alis na kami maya-maya. Ano nilalaro ng baby ni mama? Ay, nagko-color ang baby. Nagko-color ang baby ni mama. Baby, malaglag ka dyan. Konti lang ah, kasi kakain ka pa ng kanin eh. Yeah. Alis na tayo, baby? Dali na, we're gonna see Nono again.
Swimming again?
Yeah. Swimming again, no? Tomorrow. Yeah? Yeah, tomorrow.
Yeah.
Let's go.
We're leaving soon, 2 hours later. We're leaving soon. Come on, we can't bring the iPad.
Wala, may jacket ako dito. Yan na lang siguro i-jacket ko. Parang manipis tong jacket na to eh. Hi!
Family rider. 2 section. Family riding na lang. Family
Celestine!
Tintin, no?
Celestine! Hi!
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 Tawa siya.
What's the station in that? Oh, that's cool. Let's see.
Kuha kaming ticket. Hi, okay? Gusto niya pa maglakad?
We're
don't
going
know.
on the wrong train. We're going wrong one.
This way! Sela na, Sel. Nawala na. Bibi, gusto mo pa maglakad ha? Ayaw mo lang talaga.
I going down.
Service is leaving from platform 1 in 2 minutes. This service stops at Reaction station.
Bar?
Yeah.
Here's the bar.
Yeah, it's coming. Look.
The train?
Mata talaga. Sige niya.
Glenlow. Transfer here for Scarborough bus services. This service.
Hello guys.
All stations to Yatcha.
At nandito na nga yung vlog.
Picture natin kanina sa banda.
Ayun na guys.
Central siguro na.
Look.
This service runs all stops to Manager.
Oh, that one.
Where's your lights?
Look at the Christmas tree.
Wow.